Hello guys, I hope you're having an amazing day. So in this tutorial, we will learn about how to change the background in the Instagram story. Alright, so first of all, you will go to your Instagram app and now you can see your feeds on the Instagram. But you have to tap on the profile button which is on the bottom right corner. Alright, so now you are into your profile. And now you can see the plus icon along with your username on the top. You have to tap on that and you will see the bunch of options to create the reel, post, story, highlight, and you can even go live there. But we have to tap on the story. And as we tap on the story, we would have the images from our gallery. So now just pick any image which you want to upload on your gallery. So as you selected the image, you will see the image on the story. And now you can see the three dots on the top right corner. You have to tap on that and you will see the options of and draw and save. We have to tap on the draw. And you will see the bunch of different colors at the bottom of the story. And you can select any color from these colors. But if you want to select the color from your image, you just need to click on the eyedrop and you can select the color which you want from the image. So even if you don't want to have the color from your image, you can actually tap and hold the colors in the bottom and you will see the range of different colors here and you can pick any color from there. Okay, so let's just pick a color from here. Alright, so after you pick the color, just tap and hold on the story and it would change the background color of that story. Okay, so you would see the difference now. So now what you need to do, just click on the done button on the top right corner. And as we know that now we need to add the image. So for the image, what you can do is to click on the sticker icon on the top side and scroll down a bit. And you would see the image option along with the countdown option. You just have to tap on that and you would see the pictures from your gallery. Just pick the image for the story. And now you would have the image with the background. Alright. And if you want to change the color again, just tap on the triple dots. And you have to tap on the draw again and pick the color of your choice. Just tap and hold the story again and you just change the background color again. And this is how you change the background color. And in this tutorial we learn how to change the background in the Instagram story.